Kusampo and welcome to Portal TK. I will be solving few multiple choice questions from BHSEC mathematics. And while solving multiple choice questions, the things that we have to keep in mind is we have to solve it correctly as well as quickly. We have to learn how to save time. So here, the first question says you're asked to find the value of theta when the condition says it is a singular matrix. As soon as you have singular matrix, you should remember that the determinant of the given matrix is equal to 0. Now, you do not have to worry. So, just choose the row or column which has maximum number of zeros and expand along that row or column. So, let me expand along row 3. So, while expanding along row 3, I did not have to do for the first two values. I'll directly go to the third column and expand there. So meaning it will be cos theta times cos theta, that is cos square theta, then minus sin theta times sin theta is sin square theta, which is equal to, so we are saying this is the determinant and this should be equal to 0. So by trigonometric identity, we have this cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta, which is equal to 0. So just keep 2 theta here, and we are taking this cos to the left side, it is cos inverse 0. So 2 theta is equal to cos inverse 0 is 90, that is pi by 2, and just keep theta here and take this 2 that side, so it will be pi by 4. And for this reason, the correct option out here is pi by 4. Hope it's clear. The important point here is this condition for singular matrix. Matrix is singular if the determinant is equal to 0, or when the determinant is equal to 0, then the matrix is said to be singular. And the next question. So we have to find the eccentricity if we are given with the equation of the conic section. So here we are given with the equation of the conic section and we are asked to find the eccentricity. Now as soon as we have this one, so eccentricity, we know the relation between eccentricity and the given thing A and B. So E is equal to 1 minus B square divided by A square. And when we plug in these values, this is our A square and this is our B square. So just plug in here in our relation. So it is 1 minus B square we have is 4, and A square we have is 16, so which is equal to, by pure algebra, it is 16 times 1, 16 minus 4, it is 12, then our LCM is 16, which is equal to root of this, just multiply, 4, 3, 12, 4, 16, right? So it is 3 by 4, and this is equal to root 3, and square root of 4 is 2, and our correct option out here is root 3 by 2. Hope it is clear. Now let's look at the next question. So next question, we have to find the value of the given definite integral. So as soon as we have now here, what is the concept that we have to remember? So here the limit is from minus a to a. If we have something of this type, integral of minus a to a f of x dx, then we have two possible things. Either it is equal to 0 if f of x is odd function, or this is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even. So these are the two things that we have to keep in mind. Now here this modulus of cos x is an even function. I will not go in depth. So here this given thing will be 0 to pi by 2 mod of cos x. I am saying this mod of cos x is an even function, so you can verify it yourself. And this is equal to, now this again in this range 0 to pi by 2, this cos x is always positive, so we do not have to take the negative value. So this is 0 to pi by 2. Directly you can say it is cos x dx. And you just integrate this cos x, then you will get sin x from 0 to pi by 2. So which is equal to, you will get it is sin pi by 2. Sorry, you have to put 2 in the front. So this is equal to 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. So our correct option out here is 2. Now let us look at next question. So next question says we have to find the coordinates of the point which are 2/3 from the two given points. As soon as we have this one, just remember this. We have 2 points, just write that 2 points, 3, -4, 1, and -3, -1, 4, and we also have, there's a 2/3 means 2 is 2, 3, right? So this you have to multiply this side, and this one you have to multiply this side. So M1, M2 as we have seen in our notes. So let's do it. So this coordinates is equal to, directly we have 2 times -3 is -6, plus, then again you have to do 3 times 3, it is 9, divided by 2 plus 3, then 2 times -1 is -2, plus 3 times -4 is, it is -12, divided by 5, again we have 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 times 1 is 3, divided by 5, which is equal to, this is 3 divided by 5, this is -14 divided by 5, this is 11 divided by 5. Hope this is in the option. So our correct option out here is 3 divided by 5, -14. So here as such it should be negative. There is some mistake in the question. So both C and D are same. So let me put here negative, and our correct option out here is C. Let's look at the next question. So next question says W Central School is giving 7-digit index number to each student. How many 7-digit index number can be formed with digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 2019, no digits appears more than once? So let's look at this. So as soon as we have this, so to solve this one, we have 7-digit index number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it is said that all the index numbers should start with 2019, and there is no repetition, meaning these 4 places are fixed. Now we have 3 more places, and 4 of the numbers from the given list is already used, so remaining we have 6 other numbers and only 3 places. So our answer is, we can say 6p3, which is equal to, I guess, 120, and our correct option out here is 120. So I'll leave it here, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day. And yep, do not forget to use masks whenever you are in public places, and stay home and stay safe. Thank you, and touch step.